Hello and welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we're looking at this used TBT 75. So that's a 75 litre circular bowl finishing machine from our economy range. The machine is a used unit, so as such the economy machine will be cheaper than ever. It's an excellent machine. It's a nice small unit that will fit in the corner of the factory. It's suitable for your deburring, polishing and surface finishing. The machine's got an excellent lining. The rib section means that the smaller pieces, wet pieces, won't track along the side, so they'll cascade back into the machine, so you won't get any mismatching. So the machine is available immediately. If you're looking to automate your deburring, polishing or super finishing, then why not speak to our experts today? We would love to help.